How to log out from Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can log out from Gmail. And how do you do that? Once you've launched your app and you've logged in, move to the top left corner or you can see 3 horizontal lines. Then you click on it. Then scroll down and select settings. Then the next step will be for you to select the account that you want to log out from. Okay, so after selecting the account, I am brought to the settings page. By scrolling down, you will not see any option asking you to remove account or to log out, right? Then you would have to select manage your Google account, and you will be taken to the page where you can further carry out more actions on your Google account. So once you're on this stage, the next step is for you to locate the option which says remove account or logout. So you can check through all of the tabs here to see if you will see the option remove account or logout. But if you cannot find any, that means that on the mobile app, you cannot remove or log out of your Gmail account. The only way you can log out of a Gmail account is by logging in into your Gmail account on your PC. Alright, so by logging in on your PC, you can sign out of a particular Gmail account, but on your mobile phone, you cannot log out. You can only delete the account. So if you want to sign out or log out of the Gmail account, it means that you're only intending to delete that account. And how do you do that? By clicking on manage your Google account, click on data and privacy, then scroll down to the last part of the page where you see the option delete your Google account and follow the prompts and the account will be deleted automatically. So that is it. That is the only way you can log out from a Google account on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.